Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can get logged out from your Doordash app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Doordash app. So once you open it, you need to simply be redirected in this kind of interface where all you need to do is tap on the profile icon beside the bell icon. So once you do this, all you need to do is simply scroll down to the bottom of the screen where you can find the logout option. So simply tap on the logout option and you will be then logged out from your account. As you can see that your account will be redirected to this kind of page where all you need to do is tap on the method to get re-logged into your account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.